If we cannot do this nationally because our leaders fail to do so, then let us begin our revolution, ang ating health revolution, through our initiative, self-care. Ibig sabihin, and in the sphere of your influence, let's say family, your workplace, then community, and then eventually lahat tayo gagalaw. So ngayon, base up ngayon yung ating revolution. This is a different kind of revolution kasi we don't want violent revolution eh. We want a quiet revolution. But this one, as opposed to 40 years ago na People's Revolution for Democracy, ako, ang pinaglalaban natin, let's liberate ourselves from the poverty of our healthcare. Let's liberate ourselves dun sa tanikala ng pagpaparusa sa pag-agaw ng pondo para sa kalusugan. At ang huli, i-liberate natin ang sarili natin sa magulong mundo ng social media at sa politiko. Let's have inner peace and solitude because in inner peace and quiet, we find moral clarity, mental clarity, our strength, and focus. Yan ho. Kasi if the surroundings would be chaotic,